I came across this channel which getting millions of views, and it was created only 2 weeks. It has accumulated 3,000 subscribers with only 7 videos. This channel creates AI-generated history, which is a unique niche. Not many people have done such a story. Each of their videos is ranking up views. Take a look at this video. It was posted 2 weeks ago. It has gained over 200,000 views, and it's just their first video. According to Social Blade, this channel is already making $1,000 in their first month. Even if that's an overestimate, they're still making at least $500 a month. These videos may seem hard to create, but with power of AI, it has become simpler than you think. There aren't many tutorials about this niche out there, so let's get started. All the work is done using free AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and more. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating these types of history videos, from finding the right idea, generating visuals, and creating a viral thumbnail. Our first step in today's tutorial is channel creation and branding. I won't dwell on much in this step because I assume most of you know how to create a YouTube channel. Anyone can do it, but most people don't do it the right way. So I will quickly touch on how to create a YouTube channel. Head over to YouTube, and in the top right corner, you'll see the sign in option. Click on it and it'll take you to a new page. Here, click on Create Account, then choose for my personal use. These other options, like business, is for big brands. Next, YouTube will ask for your channel name. You can come up with a channel name on your own, or you can ask ChatGPT for some help. For that, I'm going to open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You can get this prompt in the Google Docs, or you can manually screenshot it. This prompt will generate 30 name ideas for you. You can alter the number of names you need, but I stick with 30. Once ChatGPT gives you the list, go through each name carefully and pick one that stands out to you and easy to remember. Then go back to the channel creation page and paste your chosen name. Click Next, and YouTube will ask for basic details like your date of birth, password, and mobile number. Fill these out and your channel will be created. Quick tip: once your channel is live, don't post anything at the moment. You need to warm up your channel first. Use your channel for a couple of days first to avoid getting shadow banned. YouTube doesn't trust brand new accounts right away. You need to build some activity first. Next step is branding your channel. We'll upload a logo. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the logo prompt I've shared. In the space provided, enter your chosen channel name. Hit enter and it'll generate a logo for you. I went with number 4, the human tapestry. It stood out to me more than the others. Wait for a few minutes and ChatGPT will generate your image. Here's the logo design ChatGPT generated. Hit the download button if you like it. If not, you can type in a prompt instructing it without any text on the logo, only theme or picture. Hit enter and ChatGPT will give you a clean prompt. Copy that prompt and head over to the Leonardo AI website. Once there, click the big image icon in the center and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. In the prompt box, paste your copied prompt. Scroll down on your left, you'll see the ratio option. Click on it and select 1:1. Hit generate and wait for a few seconds. You'll get 4 different logo designs. Pick the one you like most and download it. Then open YouTube Studio and upload this logo to your channel. Click upload on the right side and upload your logo. Adjust to your liking and hit done. Let's move on to the next step, which is idea creation. This step is the most part of your video creation. You need to create an entertaining video idea to keep the viewers hooked. And if you want your video to perform well, you need to look for an interesting topic. Finding a good topic and writing a script can be very hard if you're new to video creation. But I came up with a perfect prompt to help you with your script. You can easily copy and paste in ChatGPT prompt box. Simply copy the first prompt from the Google Docs and head over to ChatGPT. Paste this prompt there. You'll see an option that says how many number of topics you want. You can change this according to your needs. I go with 25 and then simply hit enter. ChatGPT will start generating 25 viral topics for your channel, similar to the reference channel. Once you have your topics ready, just go through the list and choose the one you want. Next, we'll need a script for it. Go back to the doc and you'll see the second prompt, which I gave 2 examples. In this prompt, you need to add your chosen topic from the above. Simply copy the prompt from here and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, copy your chosen topic as I did and paste it into the topic space in the prompt. Once that's done, hit enter and ChatGPT will start generating a script for your video. If you want your video to be longer, you need a longer script. So just ask ChatGPT, make it more longer, and it will give you a script that's longer than the previous one. Moving on to our next step, we need image and video prompts, and for this section, simply copy the third prompt from the doc. We will use free AI tools for image generation and also a free AI tool for video generation. This will give you both image and video prompts separately for each scene we want. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. After that, it will give you image and video prompts for each scene, which you can then use to generate images and videos for your project. First, We'll generate the images, and then we'll convert them into video using a free AI tool. For generating images, just head to the first image prompt and copy it from there. Then head over to the Leonardo AI. You'll see the model option. Click on it. In the model list, I personally go with lucid realism, but feel free to use any model option you prefer. After that, below the model option, you'll see image size. Simply choose 16:9 from here as it's perfect for these types of videos. Once you've done that, click on the prompt box and paste your copied prompt. Then click on Generate below. It will start generating images, and in a few seconds, you'll get 4 results. Click on the first image, then go through all of them one by one and choose the one you like best. Download it, and then repeat this process to generate every image you need. Now finally, we have all our images. It's time to turn those images into videos. For converting images into videos, we use another free tool called Flow. First, open Google Chrome, type Flow, and search. Then click on the first link and it will redirect you to their website. Once you're in, click on New Project. Now to generate videos, simply close this tab and then click on the Text to Video option. Here choose Frames to Video. Next to it, you'll see another option. Click on it and select VO3 Fast, because it only costs 20 credits. Below the Frames to Video section, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it and add the images you just downloaded. Once you've added them, click on Crop and Save. It will start uploading your images. Once the upload is complete, go back to ChatGPT and copy the given video prompts from there. Then return to Flow, paste the copied prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. It will now start generating your video. Once it's done, click on it to see how beautifully it has generated your video. The best part is that this video comes with background sounds, so you don't need to spend extra time on audio editing. Here's the preview of the generated video. Once you're happy with it, simply click on Download, then select 1080p high quality. It will take around 30 seconds to download. Once that's done, click on Download again and the video will be saved to your files. Now, repeat this process with all your images, and that's it. Moving on to our next step, which is editing. These videos come with background sounds. So, we don't need to spend much time editing. We only need to combine all these videos. For that, you can use any editing software, but personally I use CapCut for all my videos. Open CapCut, and here you'll see the Create New Project, and you'll be redirected to the editing dashboard. Then simply import all our assets. For that, click on Import Elements, and then import all your videos. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. There isn't much editing needed. Combine all your videos, and once you are done, you can click Export on the right corner. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe, which helps my channel to reach more audience. See you in the next one.